Okay, Ben. You got to do your chores. You ready? Get your laundry. Get your laundry basket. Good job. Where does it go? Where does it go? Come on. Take it to the laundry room. Good job, buddy. Good job. You need some help? Okay. Now what do you do with the empty basket? Go, run. Yeah, go put it up. Run, run.